Have you ever heard sentences like, I know that she is honest, or what he said surprised everyone, and wondered, why is an entire sentence acting like a noun? Today, you'll discover the secret of noun clauses, one of the most useful grammar structures in English. And in order to make you fully understand, we'll discuss it part by part, in which Part 1. What is a noun clause? Part 2. When and how do we use noun clauses? Part 3. Words that introduce noun clauses. Part 4. Word order in noun clauses. Part 5. Common mistakes. Part 6. Mini quiz, and Part 7. Review and conclusion. Let's begin. First, let's review something important. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing, an idea. For example, teacher, school, book, happiness. A noun can do several jobs in a sentence. It can be the subject, the object, and the complement. That clause performs the job of a noun. That is called a noun clause. Definition. A noun clause is a dependent clause that functions as a noun. It contains a subject and a verb, but it cannot stand alone because it depends on another clause. Think of it this way. A noun clause is simply a small sentence working as one noun. Compare these sentences. Sentence 1. I know the answer. The answer is a noun phrase. Sentence 2. I know that she is right. That she is right is a noun clause. The noun phrase and the noun clause both answer the question, what do I know? So they perform exactly the same job. Part 2. When and how do we use noun clauses? Noun clauses have several important functions. Let's learn them one by one. 1. Noun clause as the subject. Sometimes the noun clause is the subject of the sentence. Example. What she said was interesting. Ask yourself, what was interesting? Answer. What she said. The whole clause is the subject. Another example. Why he left remains a mystery. Again, the entire clause is the subject. 2. Noun clause as the object. This is the most common use. Examples. I know that she is honest. She believes that he will come. We don't know where they live. The noun clause receives the action of the verb. 3. Noun clause as the complement. Examples. The problem is that we are late. The truth is that nobody called. The noun clause explains the subject. A noun clause as a complement comes after linking verb. 4. Noun clauses after adjectives. Examples. I'm happy that you came. She is afraid that she might fail. We're glad that you're here. The noun clause after adjective explains the feeling. Part 3. Words that introduce noun clauses. Most noun clauses begin with words like 1. That. Examples. I think that he is right. 2. Whether. Examples. I don't know whether she will come. 3. If. Examples. I wonder if they are ready. 4. Question words. What? Who? Whom? Whose? Which? When? Where? Why? How? Examples. I know where she lives. Tell me what you want. We don't know why he left. She explained how she solved the problem. Part 4. Word order in noun clauses. This is one of the most important grammar rules. Noun clauses use statement word order, not question word order. Formula: if, whether, or question words plus subject plus verb. Example: I know where she lives. Another example: tell me what he wants. Remember, inside a noun clause, subject comes before verb. Part 5. Common mistakes. Let's fix some common mistakes. Mistake 1: I know where does she live. I know where she lives. Why? Because noun clauses use statement order. Mistake 2: tell me what is your name. Tell me what your name is. Again, subject comes before the verb. Mistake 3: I don't know that where he lives. I don't know where he lives. Don't use that together with question words. Choose one or the other. Part 6. Mini quiz. Let's test your understanding. Question 1. Which sentence is correct? A. I know where does he work. B. I know where he works. Answer: B. Because noun clauses use statement word order. Question 2. Which one is the noun clause? She believes that he is honest. A. She believes. B. That he is honest. Answer: B. It functions as the object of believes. Question 3. Choose the correct sentence. A. Tell me what is your favorite color. B. Tell me what your favorite color is. Answer: B. Again, statement word order. Part 7. Review and conclusion. Let's review. A noun clause is a dependent clause that functions as a noun. It can work as 1. Subject, 2. Object, and 3. Complement. Common introductory words include that, whether, if, what, who, when, where, why, how, which, and whose. Most importantly, always remember, noun clauses use statement word order, not question word order. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss another English grammar lesson from ESC Grammar and Structure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.